When heading out on a European river cruise, the question I get asked the most after a client booked is, what is the dress code? What should I wear? People seem to be scared that river cruising is too dressy for them. Most people have the idea that they need to wear suits to dinner and dresses to dinner every night, and this simply is not true. River cruising is actually quite casual. People choose to wear a wide range of clothing while on board, from super casual to smart casual to elegant. Touring clothing from the day can be dressed up with a scarf or necklace and worn to dinner easily. The point is, wear what makes you feel comfortable. If you wore it in public, it's likely okay to wear it on the ship. Don't believe me? This is what other river cruise guests are saying. Nancy S. says, I'm on it right now and no one is dressing up. Cindy M. says, I wear leggings on every trip I take. Karen K. Once you sit down, no one sees what shoes or pants you're wearing, and most likely you'll never see any of these people again. Just do you and be comfortable. And finally, my favorite comment comes from Pam V. Let's not worry about the clothes or shoes others are wearing. Let's be thankful to be on a cruise and enjoy every second of it. I'm Melissa Baum, owner of Vacations. I specialize in river cruising. I'm answering all the most popular questions. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you soon.